How to change blades in nest tools. Changing the blades in the nest tools is not a job that is often required. The blades should be changed if they become blunt or dull. Spare blades are included in any nest set and can also be purchased at the nearest nest dealer. How to replace the blades on Nest internal thread repair tools. Find the small Phillips screw head at the bottom of the tool. With a Phillips screwdriver, open the screw until the blade is free and can be released. Replace the old blade with a new one. Place blade with its hole pointing to the screw or to the front of the tool. Fasten screw with Phillips screwdriver. The Nest external tool requires both blades to be changed at the same time. Do not change only one of the blades. When replacing the blades on the Nest 1A and the Nest 2, the first step is to have the right punching tool. For Nest 1A, you will need a nail punch number 4, and for Nest 2, you will need a nail punch number 8. Set the tool and knock the pin out with the nail puncher using a small hammer. Once the pin is out, open the knob and raise the blades until the blade shaft can be fully seen. Change the blades to the new set. Insert the pin again to its position. Now you're ready to work again. For Nest 3, you will need a hex cap key that is part of the set, or you can use a hex cap key of 3 mm or 1/8 of an inch. Open the blades by releasing the hex cap screws. Change the blades and tighten it back into place. Make sure that the blades are sitting in their groove properly.